guess who's here? Who's here? Tim's here. Tim's here. Tim's here. So my friend suggested this app called Too Good To Go, and it allows restaurants to sell their unsold food at a discounted price. So it reduces food waste and it saves us money. So we chose Johnny Napkins today, and I only spent $5.32, I think, for this whole box. So we're gonna open this surprise box. Ready?
Looks like she hooked it up.
Wow. How many slices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can I count?
9. Yeah. 9.
Yeah. So we got all of this for $5.32 because they would have to throw this away at the end of the night, and they sell it at a discounted price. So let's see.
Go through the flavors, right?
Yeah.
So this is definitely chicken bacon ranch.
Wait. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, what do you think this one is? Some type of chicken.
Chicken Alfredo?
Maybe.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Then this. Oh, yeah.
Right? This one is barbecue.
Maybe, yeah. Make sure none of the toppings fall.
Barbecue and... Yeah, I think it's just barbecue.
Yeah, some type of chicken, right?
Yeah.
And then this one
I don't know what
is...
that one is.
I think also chicken with I don't want to lift that. With broccoli.
And there's like a red sauce in the
Yeah.
middle. I don't know.
This one? It looks like there's some peppers in it.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck that is. That one doesn't look too appealing.
Well, I think it'll look good when... Oh, no, there's some chicken in it too, I think.
Yeah. And
I think it'll look good once you throw in like the
Olive.
toaster oven. Okay, that's mine. I love olives. I think they just covered everything with cheese in that one.
That one has olives.
Ah, that's all mine. This is tomatoes, red onions.
Looks like ham.
Where? No, that's red onion.
Oh, is it? Okay, because I was going to say next time...
Ooh. Okay, so this is pepper, spinach, and black olives. That's all mine. You got a grandma slice!
She hooked it up. I didn't do anything.
He loves those. And then ricotta?
Yeah, that one's actually pretty good.
We got a good spread. All of this for $5.32.
That's less than $1 a slice.
Yeah.
And these slices are
So
usually like
we already ate dinner too.
$4 or $5.
We might have one, but I have food for lunch tomorrow for work.
Bamboos.
Oh, and let's let the dog in. Hey guys, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I can't go to sleep, so I'm whispering. We'll see how good this microphone quality is. So I was trying to look for vacation places for this summer, either June for my dad's birthday or August for my 1-year anniversary. So I was looking at the Caribbean islands, Portugal, Greece, Japan. There's so many good places, but I'm trying to keep money in mind because we're trying to seriously look for a house this year. So there will be 5 adults going, and we're looking to do either a 7 to 10 day stay. And if anyone has any suggestions, please put in the comments below.